CEO BINACE confirmed Cardano support ADA to $7,000.
Recently, the world's attention has been actively focused on cryptocurrencies. Many large investors actively invest their funds in various crypto projects only because they can bring considerable income. Such a project is Cardano. Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. Do you think the analysts are right about Cardano? Write the answers in the comments.
Giving away 500 Cardano at the end of the week. One random subscriber will receive Cardano coins. Take a look at the instructions in the comments section. All you need to do is write the word Cardano, watch the video to the end to like and subscribe. Binance always supports Cardano, and now the price of Cardano will grow very much because of the second hand. The Cardano digital currency has grown significantly in Asian markets, surpassing even EOS. It seems that the Cardano boom is returning, as the coin has won about 5% of the trading volume of the entire cryptocurrency market. This is a real feat for an altcoin, considering that Ether accounts for only 10% of the total volume. Overnight, Cardano rose by more than 22% to 26 cents, although this is still a fairly low price. However, the asset grew weekly and moved away from the recent low by 74%. The main incentive in trading, apparently, was the expansion of trading pairs on Binance, where Cardano ranks third after Verge. In the coming days, it will become clear how the influx of USDT into the Cardano market will affect the price. Binance is one of the largest holders of USDT, which allows the token to flow into many altcoin markets. On April 16, Cardano also began trading on the leading Chinese exchange Huobi Pro. It is encouraging that after several weeks of a sideways trend, when there was almost no activity around Cardano, a new growth is taking place as a result of an increase in trading volumes. Price activity also received an additional boost from the partnership with the Emergo project. Hopes for the restoration of Cardano are strengthening at the moment. This asset still remains promising. It can grow and displace leading coins such as Litecoin. At its first price peak, Cardano was a relatively unknown coin that only appeared as a result of the ICO. Its price stayed around 3 cents for a long time before Cardano suddenly broke into the top 10. Cardano experienced a major downtrend in the past months as the crypto market took another swing for the lows. The sixth cryptocurrency by market cap has seen a year in the green as it managed to complete several upgrades on its mainnet. First, Cardano successfully transitioned to a proof-of-stake consensus in 2020, shortly after the D parameter reached 0, signaling the full decentralization of block production. The network went from a federate consensus to a community-based consensus, as the latter control most stake pools producing blocks on the network. Later, the start of a new era with the first of 3 major hard fork combinator events with the implementation of Allegra, followed by Mary. These upgrades brought new capabilities to the Cardano mainnet, which were completed with Alonzo, that introduced smart contract capabilities into the blockchain. This ecosystem has already seen a surge in projects, as developers and users rush in to build and leverage the benefits of its UTXO model. In that sense, community member Cardano Whale shared his top predictions that could boost another rally for the underlying cryptocurrency of the Cardano network. Cardano Whale mentioned the potential increase in the number of transactions and active addresses for Cardano. The investor believes these fundamentals could increase by a factor of 5, leading into a massive wave of adoption in 2023. This new wave of adoption for this network could translate into more projects. The investors estimated that by the end of 2022, there could be more than 250 decentralized applications, DeFi platforms, Launchpad, and more on the network. In addition to its security, according to Cardano Whale, Cardano offers low fees, energy efficiency with a green footprint, and has been adopted by companies and projects with a global impact. This includes World Mobile, Singularity, and others. The aforementioned collaborations place the ecosystem in different sectors with close deals with governments in growing economies. Cardano will strengthen its partnerships in the coming years as it attempts to provide people with an open, decentralized, and accessible network to manage and support a variety of basic services. In the meantime, the network develops interoperable capabilities. Cardano Whale mentioned Milkomeda, a second-layer solution for Cardano with EVM compatibility. This types of solutions will help onboard more users and developers. Post the market-wide retracements. Enjoin coin flipped the 20 SMA from its support to immediate resistance. Further, Cardano and Mana fell below their 20-50-200 SMA. After poking the $45,900 mark, Bitcoin registered a 3.8% jump over the past few hours. Consequently, the aforestated cryptos bounced back from their immediate supports. Their RSIs were in the recovery phase after dipping into the oversold territory. As Cardano oscillated in an ascending broadening wedge, it invalidated its long-term bearish trend line. Then, it saw an expected breakdown from its month-long resistance at the $1.58 level. The alt retraced by nearly 18.1% in the last 3 days. As a result, the price action poked its weekly low on December 30th. After finding immediate support at the 1.31 level, Cardano bounced back and crossed the $1.3 mark at press time. While the 20 SMA stood above the 50-200 SMA, Cardano needed to cross the $1.397 hurdle to confirm a strong reversal. At press time, Cardano traded at $1.362. The RSI bounced back from the oversold region and showed decent revival signs. The price action marked green candles after a bullish divergence between the RSI and price action, while the AO depicted a shift in momentum in favor of bears. The ADX displayed a slightly weak directional trend for Cardano. After falling in a down channel, Mana halted its downturn at its 1-month support at the $3.02 mark. As the price bounced from this level, it saw for nearly 10 days until it breached the $3.6 mark. The alt marked a 16.94% retracement after touching its 3-week high on 27 December. With this fall, Mana fell below its 20-50-200 SMA. The immediate testing point for the bulls now stood near the 20 SMA at the $3.4 mark. At press time, Mana traded at $3.3405. The RSI flashed a bearish bias and found resistance at the 42 level. While the MACD visibly preferred the sellers, its histogram approached the equilibrium. This reading indicated the near-term possibility of a bullish comeback. The live Cardano price today is $1.3 USD with a 24-hour trading volume of $1,156 million USD. We update our Cardano to USD price in real time. Cardano is down 0.3% in the last 24 hours. Do you think Cardano will be able to surpass Bitcoin? Write your answers in the comments. For today, I say goodbye to you. Thank you for watching this video to the end. If you liked it, then don't forget to like it and subscribe to the channel.